Well, I picked up the camera after all this started to happen, everyone.
Oh, okay.
Welcome back to the channel. $10 on a one set bet, and I'm up to 1,800 already. And I've got plenty of more spins. So here we go. Come on, balls, balls. Please, everyone, like, subscribe, share. It does do the channel good. Come on, come on. Well, no hold and spin, but I'll take it.